happiness is also an emotion. So happiness में क्या होता है, आप everything on the mind level, everything happened on a brain level, because brain and your mind is the foundation. But what happens inside of your mind and brain, that happens in your body.
Hello everyone, Mitti Ki Rang brings to you a series of interactive sessions with the help of which we aim to bring social change responsibility amongst youth. Today we have with us today as a guest Monica Singh, who is an NLP practitioner and an author of Formula to Happiness. We are delighted to have her with us today. Let's dive into our podcast to know more about her. So, thank you, ma'am, for joining us today in today's podcast with Mitti Ki Rang. We are delighted to have you as a
Absolutely my
guest.
pleasure. Absolutely my pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, so because of the COVID-19, how has your work life been like these days?
It's going, I mean, I'm changing my path now. I'm coming into the online platform. So it's fun. I'm enjoying.
That's great. So, you are an NLP practitioner and a life
Yes,
coach trainer, right? So,
yes,
can you
yes.
please just elaborate a little what is NLP and what is life coaching?
See, NLP is all about your mind. It's like, neuro linguistic programming, and it's like a mind's language, because your mind doesn't understand the words. So your mind understands pictures, voices, maps, so these are few things that your mind recognize, and NLP is all about that thing. Like, it's kind of, a modern version of visualization. ओके, सो
Yeah.
हम बहुत सालों से सुनते हुए आ रहे हैं ना, विजुअलाइजेशन करें, ये करें, वो करें ना, इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज योर माइंड पावर और ब्रेन पावर, सो विजुअलाइज करें, ये करें, वो करें, बहुत सालों से सुनते हुए आए हैं. एक्चुअली बचपन में भी काफी सुना है ना. सो एनएलपी इज काइंड ऑफ मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी, modern thing of the visualizations, advanced, and it has many things, so it's really very fun thing, and it's all about you. And life coaching, like we all knows, it's people who actually, what they do, they teach soft skills, so these are the life coaches.
So, how was your journey being a life coach and a practitioner?
It's really amazing, because life coaching is something जहाँ पे आप सिखाते ही नहीं हैं, सिर्फ सीखते भी हैं.
Yeah.
So it's wonderful journey. मैं जब भी लोगों से मिलती हूँ, so मैं सिर्फ सिखाती नहीं हूँ उनको, मतलब मुझे बहुत कुछ काफी खुद भी सीखने के लिए मिलता है. तो इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, मतलब इट्स लाइक कि आप खुद भी सीखते रहो, दूसरों को भी सिखाते रहो, एंड इट्स ऑन गोइंग, एवरीथिंग, सो इट्स फन.
So, being a life coach, इस पूरी जर्नी में ऐसा कुछ आया incident when you learned something very powerful from your clients only?
Powerful like what?
Something
When they
that came up in your
said,
life which you never realized कि okay, I have to work on this as well. Because being a life coach ऐसा होता है ना कि आपको अपने आप को बहुत improve करना है हर stage पर.
exactly,
So, like ऐसा
exactly,
कोई
and
incident?
not even as a life coach, actually as an individual as well.
Yeah.
I mean, even if we are growing and working on any path, we always grow, right? We always
Yeah.
grow, whatever you are doing, wherever you are and wherever you are going, if it really doesn't matter, you always grow. So I have learned many things from my clients, what to say, like how to balance your emotions, and how to take care of the relationships between family members and you, because sometimes जो सर में दर्द आता है या फिर टेंशन आती है, वो स्पेशली फैमिली से आती है, कि ओके कुछ भी जजमेंट भी फैमिली से आ रही है और क्रिटिसिज्म भी फैमिली से आ रहा है. तो बहुत बार जब आप किसी लोगों को सिखाते रहते हैं that how you can overcome your issues between your family and yourself, so it's like you yourself learn that okay, you also have some issues between, you know, your family members and you, so you can resolve that. And there are many other things as well that I have learned from people. I actually learned from kids, I learned from animals. So I am the you know, I'm a learner. I learn from anything and everything. So it's really amazing to learn from everyone, and that's what I share with other people also. Whatever I learn, I share with others.
So basically, it's like कि if relationships are very strong, so it affects your personal, professional, and other spheres of life. So मतलब काफी important है कि
Exactly.
relationships ज़्यादा strong होने चाहिए.
Exactly. See, हमारे लाइफ के 6 मेन पार्ट होते हैं एक्चुअली में, which is career, our happiness, and our you know, maybe our relationships, and our spiritual things, our health, and our transition whenever we are changing from one phase to another phase. So these are 6 main areas of our life. And whenever what happens, whenever bring in, maybe it's your job that is disturbing you, maybe it's your relationship that is disturbing you, maybe it's your health that is disturbing you. So disturbance in one area actually disturb all other areas of your life. So it's kind of cycle, you know. So you have to manage all and everything, and you have to enjoy the journey. किसी भी चीज के लिए मतलब बर्डन नहीं लेना है that I'm, you know, taking care of my health also, I'm taking care of my job also, I'm taking care of my, you know, personal relationships also. So किसी भी चीज को लेके burden नहीं लेना है. It's like you just enjoy all and everything all together, and that's how you make a full circle of life.
So जो ये लाइफ कोचेस होते हैं, एनएलपी प्रैक्टिशनर, मतलब हमें बचपन से कभी कंडीशनिंग नहीं किया जाता कि हम ये ऐसा कुछ करें लाइफ में, राइट? दे आर ऑलवेज सेड कि बी अ इंजीनियर, बी अ डॉक्टर, और गिव सम गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स. So right, so being an Indian, we always have this situations कि हमें यही करना है, यही
Yeah.
कुछ paths हैं. So
हाँ,
how
मतलब लोगों से हमें आइडियाज मिलते रहते हैं कि बेटा ये कर लो, बेटा डॉक्टर कब बन जाओ बिकॉज पैसे अच्छे मिलेंगे, इंजीनियर बन जाओ, विदेशों में घूमने को मिलेगा. Yes, I can understand.
लो, it's like कि job रहेगी.
Exactly.
So how come you came across life coaching कि ठीक है मैं life coaching करूँगी and NLP practitioner ये सारी coaches करूँगी?
I have never ever decided that I'm going to do something like this in future. I was just enjoying my life. I was enjoying the journey. But during, you know, wherever you are in your life, wherever, you know, circumstances are there, you always struggle, and you always have something that, you know, that you want to reach somewhere. You always wanted to reach somewhere, and during that period what happens, you go through many kind of emotional imbalances. So it happens to me as well. And I am a rebel child of my family. Okay. Whatever I'm doing right now, nobody has done ever in my family in history. I mean, if I go back and check, you know, 20 years, so I never see anyone doing all this thing in my family. So they all are in the government job, even me for doing the government job.
Okay.
So it's like मैंने उन लोगों से बहुत फाइट किया और बहुत सारी उल्टी सीधी चीजें भी की है लाइफ में. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत ही एकदम स्ट्रेट पाथ चलते हुए आई हूँ. It's like बहुत सारा उतार चढ़ाव रहा लाइफ में, and during that time I learned many things, जो कि शायद, you know, even लड़कियों का तो ये होता है शादी कर लो और बस जाओ, अपनी फैमिली बनाओ, बच्चे बच्चे पालो, और बस यही सब है. आपको बस, you know, फैमिली का ख्याल रखना है, अपने बच्चों का ख्याल रखना है, और वहीं पे ही आपकी लाइफ स्टॉप हो जाती है, राइट? बट मैंने बहुत कुछ अपने घर में झगड़ा की, लड़ाई की, एंड आई एम हियर नाउ. बट मैंने अपने लाइफ के लेसन्स खुद सीखे, बिकॉज जब तक आप खुद अपने लाइफ के लेसन्स नहीं सीखते हैं, माय फ्रेंड, एक्चुअली यू नेवर अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. अगर आपको कोई चीज अंडरस्टैंड करनी है on that deeper level, then you have to experience that by yourself. experience is something that makes you special and you have to learn your own lessons. कभी आप दूसरों से सीख ले सकते हैं. ओके कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि यहाँ इस रास्ते पे मत जाओ क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत कांटे बिछे हुए हैं, और अगर आप सिर्फ लोगों का सोच करके छोड़ देंगे कि हाँ यहाँ पे कांटे बिछे हुए मैं नहीं जाती हूँ क्योंकि कांटे लगे हुए हैं, तो आप शायद लाइफ एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? और एज ए ह्यूमन, दिस ह्यूमन माइंड इज एक्चुअली, यहाँ पे कुछ गर्ल्स का और बॉयज का लेना देना नहीं है. एक्सप्लोर नहीं करते तब तक आपको एक्सपीरियंस गेन नहीं होता है, और जब आप लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं गेन करते एक्चुअली आपको तब तक अपना एक परसेप्शन नहीं मिलता, because your perception makes you, right? So yeah, by experiencing life actually you gain your own perception. So yeah, I did many things in my life, and for some people I am a bad girl, and for some people I'm a good girl. So it's like that. But like for me, I am a good girl because you are the hero of your story.
Yeah.
You never ever become the victim, and I never wanted to become a victim or villain of my story. I've always wanted to become a hero. So I am a hero of my story, and I do all and everything that makes me like a hero. So it's enjoyable. I'm enjoying.
That is great. So in this journey कभी ऐसा कोई turning point आया life में कि it shook you अंदर से and then you changed everything in your life? You started working on different things. You started working on your personal growth.
Yeah, it's long story in short. हम सभी की लाइफ में बहुत सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस, जितने आप सकते हो वो सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस एक्सपीरियंस, all of them. So there was a phase in my life जब मैं depressed थी, sad थी, stressed थी, और जो भी कुछ हो सकती हूँ negatively मैं वो सब कुछ थी. And my health was very in bad condition. My face was in bad condition. I have picture in my phone. If I could have show you that, maybe I'll uploaded that picture on my Instagram so you guys can see it. So I was so fat, because of the depression and stress. I become so fat. My body was swollen, and जब भी मैं शीशे में अपने आप को देखती थी, it was like what am I doing with my life? And it was a bad phase of my life. I never discussed with anybody about that phase of my life. Only few people know about it. So it was a very bad phase. And then I used to spend all day, all night in my room, and I used to cry. And I actually became somebody else क्योंकि मैं वो थी ही नहीं कभी भी. मैं हमेशा से I was like a happy go lucky kind of child. मैं हमेशा हंसती खेलती रहती थी, बहुत डांट भी पड़ती थी मुझे मेरी शरारतें करने के लिए. लेकिन जब वो बैड फेज मेरी लाइफ में आया तो मैं इतनी सैड और डिप्रेस्ड हो गई. मुझे लगा कि आई एम नॉट दिस पर्सन. बहुत महीनों मैंने अपने घर में बिताए अकेले, रोते हुए, गाते हुए. बहुत सारे सैड सॉन्ग भी सुने, बहुत सारी सैड मूवीज भी देखी, ताकि मैं और सैड हो सकूं. समझ रहे हो? बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ योर माइंड वर्क्स. जब आप एक फ्लो में जाते रहते हैं, आपके माइंड को एक्चुअली उसमें ना एक सुकून और आनंद मिलने लगता है. चाहे वो रोना ही क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो कोई सैडनेस ही क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रेस ही क्यों. मैं इस तरीके की चीज करती थी. I got more depressed. फिर उसके बाद में one day I decided I'm doing something wrong with me actually. I thought this is not me. This is not how I am. So I just take a step ahead. फिर उस टाइम के बाद में मैंने because अंदर से एक आवाज आती है ना, that Monica, okay, whatever is happening in your life, it's okay. You can be happy and you can do anything. So it was like, what is that thing that is speaking inside of me? What is this thing? Who is saying that you can do? So I started my journey that time. That means there is more of me. There is, there is more part of me that wanted to come out. So then I started my spiritual journey. I started meditation, I started yoga, I started exercising, I started eating healthy, I started all those good things that a person can think of. And then I take one step ahead to change my life. I said, okay, now I will not let people have power on me. I'll take my power back. Then I decided to take the power back, and I started doing all and everything for myself. And then I started getting the good results. Then I decided, okay, I am going to share this with people, that my friend, you actually have the power to do anything. I mean, you have the power on yourself. Nobody have rights to make you happy, sad, depressed, or stressed. You have the choice to be happy. You have the choice to be whatever you want to feel, you and whatever you want to be. So that was the day when I decided, okay, that changed my life, and now I am going to share this with everybody, because there are many people like me who are, in that phase that disturbs them. So it's okay. I mean,
Yeah, I
people,
think these
world can be nasty place, but you always can gain the power. So it's like that.
these stories it's really help to inspire others as well. और मतलब सबकी लाइफ में ऐसे incidents आ जाते हैं. So it's very nice
Exactly.
if you share it with others, they also feel connected with you, and then they can learn from what you learned from the incident.
Exactly. So that's what is the reason I change my entertaining business into the educational one. Now, before I was into entertainment sector, actually, I was actor and I was into anchoring.
Anchoring, yeah.
Yes. And then I just, I then I was like, okay, now I'll do something that that can make that can give message to people, and that can be helpful for people. Then I started to help others, because that urge come from inside, that if I am here on earth, then I have to serve somebody, or I have to serve at least one group of people, so that I can play my part well, because we all are here to play a part, right? So I wanted to play my part, and then I started to help people, and I decided, okay, let's try life coaching.
So you are also a TEDx speaker and an author. So
Yes.
what are the moral values that inspired you and you became a TEDx speaker as well?
I wanted to become TEDx speaker actually. you know, uh, even in my courses and my workshops, I teach people. You start thinking of what you want in your life. पहले आज से पहले मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था मैं कोई TEDx स्पीकर बनूंगी, या मैंने कभी, मुझे पता भी नहीं था एक्चुअली में TEDx होता क्या है. मैं सिर्फ वीडियोस देखती थी, बट आई नेवर थिंक ऑफ माई सेल्फ गोइंग देयर एंड गिविंग अ स्पीच. But then I decided, if people can do, then I also can do. As a human being, we all are unlimited, right? We can do
Yeah.
all and everything. So that's where I decided that I want to do. And continuously for 1 year I start researching that how can one go to TEDx stage, and how can they give speeches. So I actually I was actually preparing from last 1 years to go on that stage, on my mind level and everything, manifesting and everything, law of attraction. I teach law of attraction too. So that's what I teach people, that you start thinking of that thing, whatever you want in your life, because first of all, you have to be specific what you want in your life. That's where confusion just get away. क्योंकि आप कंफ्यूज तब रहते हैं जब आपको खुद को ही नहीं पता होता कि आपको क्या करना है.
Exactly.
लेकिन जहां आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि आपको क्या करना है, then you find the ways. बिकॉज मुझे लाइफ कोचिंग में आना था, एंड लाइफ कोचिंग मैंने बहुत जगह देखा था that life coaches have this thing in their profile, TEDx speaker. So I decided, okay, I also wanted to go there.
So
So
that is
this is
nice.
how this happens.
So it's really nice. Sometimes people say that it just happened, in a journey. It's a very different story that you told, that you were actually doing a proper manifestation, visualizing yourself to be there, and then you actually achieved it from that manifestation and
Exactly.
visualization. That is really nice.
Yes.
So you started
You
with
know
the
what, and this
yeah.
is this is what I'm sorry, I'm interrupting
No, no,
you.
no, no.
Actually, I wanted to share one thing.
Yeah.
Visualization has something to do with your brain. Actually, it is not some spiritual thing or some adhyatmic or some godly level of things. No, it is very much scientific. Actually, your brain have around 100 billion cell, my friend. और जब आपके brain में 100 billion cell है, it means कि they have that much power and that much memories in your brain that you can have almost everything in your brain. But क्या होता है, हम कुछ चीजें लाइफ में भूल जाते हैं, राइट, और कुछ चीजें हम याद रखते हैं, और वो जो याद रखते हैं चीजें वो क्या होती हैं, वो हमारे कॉन्शियस लेवल की चीजें होती है जिन्हें हम याद रखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि आज तक हमें किसी ने सिखाया नहीं है कि कैसे सोचना है. इवन सोचना इज ऑल्सो अ पैटर्न, सोचने के लिए भी एक पूरा स्टडी है, पूरा एक एक तरीका है कि आपको कैसे सोचना चाहिए, so that you manifest all that whatever you want in your life, because you want something different but something else is happening in your life. Why? Because you always are thinking about those things that you don't want in your life. So instead of those things, start thinking of all those things that you want in your life, because what happens on mind level, your mind always, conscious level is only 10%, okay? So that 10% connects you to with that other 90% of your unconscious level, okay? Because unconscious level is 90%. You can imagine kitni sari aur memories hongi, kitne sare aur bhi experiences honge. Your unconscious mind is experience, okay?
Yeah.
Only experience. So where that experience, your experience always connect itself with the other experience. Maybe you are sitting in your family and talking to your family members, okay, and you learn one thing, that okay, if many family members are here, then I should not laugh like this. Maybe you learn this lesson, okay, and then what this experience takes, maybe takes you in your आप सपोज आप एक बिजनेस मीटिंग में बैठे हुए हैं, देन दिस लेसन फ्रॉम योर फैमिली कहाँ काम आया, आपके वो बिजनेस मीटिंग में, कि ओके, बिकॉज आई एम इन बिजनेस मीटिंग आई शुड नॉट लाफ, राइट? So this, your unconscious mind actually also experiences. Can you hear me? Can you hear?
Yeah, you can repeat the last line. It just got disconnected.
So I'm saying your brain actually save all the memories, all the experiences from your life. So life is all about experiences. और जहाँ आप एक्सपीरियंसेस गेन करते रहते हो, वो आपको कहाँ काम आएगा, जहाँ पे आप चाहते हो, और चाहते कहाँ पे, कॉन्शियस लेवल पे चाहते हैं, जो कि सिर्फ 10% है. और वो जो 10% है, अक्सर उस 10% में हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स घूमती रहती है, हमारी दिक्कतें घूमती रहती है, टेंशन्स घूमती रहती है, और उसकी वजह से जो हमारा माइंड है, हमारे पिछले एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ हमें कनेक्ट करता रहता है कि ओके ठीक है, बिकॉज हाँ, जो भी आप सोच रहे हो, आप वो सही सोच रहे हो, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम इस तरीके से हुआ था, नाउ दिस ऑल्सो कैन हैपन लाइक दिस. तो आप हमेशा वो सर्वाइविंग मोड में रहते हो. तो वो सर्वाइविंग मोड से हट करके आपको अगर कुछ दूसरे तरीके से करना है, आपको कुछ वो चीजें करनी है जो आप लाइफ में चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको सोचना शुरू करना पड़ेगा, ताकि आपका जो ब्रेन है वो आपको कनेक्ट करे उन सब चीजों से जो आप लाइफ में चाहते हो, उन सब एक्सपीरियंसेस से जो भी आप लाइफ में चाहते हो. तो आपका ब्रेन आपको ये बताता है कि ओके, दिस इज पॉसिबल थिंग, बिकॉज दिस हैपेंड लास्ट टाइम लाइक दिस, सो दिस टाइम ऑल्सो दिस कैन हैपन. So your mind always connect you with the last and past memories, whatever you are thinking on your conscious level. So conscious level is very limited, but unconscious level जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा है आपके conscious level से. तो कॉन्शियसली जहां आप अपने लाइफ में डिसीजन लेना शुरू कर देते हैं, कॉन्शियसली जहां आप चीजें सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं, आपका माइंड आपको बताने लगता है ओके, यू कैन डू इट, एंड देयर इज द वे, देयर इज द पाथ. तो आप इस रास्ते पे चल के आप इस जगह पे पहुंच सकते हैं जो भी आप सोच रहे हो. So it's kind of magical thing, right? So you yourself is whole package of magic. So it's really amazing. So visualization is, I'm explaining everything इसलिए ताकि you can understand your power.
Yeah.
Because this is your power. This is what makes you special, right? So it is really important to start thinking of those things that you want in your own life. Never think of those things that disturbs you or that gives you stress or that gives you tension, because then your mind will tell you, okay, you are thinking you are taking this thing as a stress and tension. This is absolutely true, because your mind will tell you always whatever you are thinking, my friend, that is true. So now
Yeah,
you have to
even
decide.
I think so. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but even if you have tension or even if you're sad with one particular incident, your mind keeps reminding you the other past 10 years incidents as
Exactly.
well to make you more sadder.
Exactly. Exactly. That's what your mind do. Now you
Yeah.
understand your power. So
Yeah.
until now you were using this as a negative thing, because you don't know, nobody actually teaches us this thing, that how to think.
Yeah.
This is also, one thing our elders or our, school or colleges system should teach us, that how to
Yeah.
think. This
I
is
guess
very important, my friend.
this should be like a part of a curriculum at least. Like at least
Yeah.
they should know what
Yeah.
power every child enables.
Yes. We always force, a child to do a particular thing, that beta do color like this only. If
Yeah.
bacha wants to do color in different way, they always force him or her to do in a different way. So it's really important to let them be themselves. And if it's okay if nobody else given you this power before, that my friend, you can be whatever you can, and you can be yourself. If nobody have taught you this before, so it's okay, you have learned this now. So you can allow yourself to believe in yourself. Okay,
Yeah.
you can allow yourself, because क्या होता है, हम लोगों के प्रेशर की वजह से हम अपने आप पे विश्वास करना छोड़ देते हैं, हम अपने आप को भरोसा करना छोड़ देते हैं कि मे बी अगर मैं ऐसा सोची तो शायद कुछ गलत होगी, शायद कुछ गड़बड़ होगी. तो इट्स ओके, let people say what they are saying, but you keep believe on yourself. You keep that faith on yourself, that you are unlimited.
So I think your guru mantra, which we say, it's like something that believe in yourself, right?
Yes, believe in yourself.
So in the conversation, I realized that it's something that is a moral value that you follow, like believing in
Yes,
yourself no matter what.
believe in always believe in yourself, because you are special. Even if you think you are not special, but my friend, you are already a special, because if you are a human, you are not any dog, you are not a bird, right? you
Yeah,
are you are not an animal. You are a human. So if you are a human in itself, being a human is a powerful thing. So if you don't believe yourself, believe your brain. Your brain is very much powerful. Even if you think your brain is not like, Einstein or Edison or somebody else, but it is like that only, because they
yeah,
chose what they wanted to do. That's why they can become whatever they are right now, right? So you have to decide for yourself what you want to be. And once you are going to decide that okay, I am going to be this, then nothing can disturb you. Nothing can stop you. And no self-doubt will come then. Self-doubt comes when you don't believe on yourself, right? So if you really want to eliminate the self-doubt, start believing on yourself. I
yeah,
hope
that
it
is
makes
true.
sense.
Yeah, completely. So actually, my question was actually to the self-doubt. I wanted to ask you that you already
Hmm.
expressed it. So before going there, I want to know that you wrote a book, Formula of Happiness. So what
Yes.
was the inspiration behind the book that you write?
uh, as I said, I was struggling in my life, and then I decided, okay, nobody will, have any rights on me. I'll decide, I'll choose what I want to feel, what I want to be. And then, when I realized all these things, when I started working on myself, then I think, okay, I should share this with other people also. So I was finding ways that how can I share my message with others. So I started writing blog. I was writing blog before. So, but when I was writing blog, what that blog becomes so long. So I think this is very much a longer thing. People maybe won't read it as a blog because this is very big thing. So I was keep researching on my thing, whatever question was coming into my mind, I wanted to research them and I wanted to put them in my writing and in that blog. But that blog thing never happened because my blog became so long. Then I think, okay, I convert this into the book, and then I, and then I write everything, and I connect with some friends and I ask them that how can I go ahead with publishing my book. Then they gave idea, and that's how it came into my life. And then I become author.
That's nice. You have one more career path as an author as well.
Yes.
So, you wrote about happiness. So, I just want to know that, people really try to compare happiness with the needs, with the satisfaction. If मुझे ये मिल गया, तो will I be happy? If मुझे ये मिल गया, then I'll be happy. But the desire never ends, right?
Yes,
So,
right.
what exactly happiness means to you and what it should be?
See, happiness is it's completely an emotion. Okay, if we say it's completely an emotion, nothing else. So it's happens on our brain level, it happens on our mind level. If if you are not happy from inside, it's okay, you start smiling or you start laughing, automatically what will happen, your brain will start releasing those happy chemicals in your brain, your body start understood. So your mind create your emotions. So happiness is
Your net just,
Mhm.
it was gone. So, can you repeat again?
Okay. So I said your happiness or any other thing, sadness, depression, stress, everything is an emotion.
Yeah.
So just like that, happiness is also an emotion. So happiness में क्या होता है, आप everything on the mind level, everything happened on a brain level, because brain and your mind is the foundation. But what happens inside of your mind and brain, that happens in your body. ऐसा नहीं है कि बॉडी में कुछ होता है और फिर आपका माइंड डिस्टर्ब होता है. माइंड में डिस्टर्बेंस होती है, वो बॉडी में नजर आती है. सो योर हैप्पीनेस इज इन योर माइंड. आपने वो सुना है ना, फेक इट अंटिल यू मेक इट,
Yeah.
राइट? सो व्हाई पीपल से दिस, क्योंकि आप थोड़ी देर, बेशक आप अंदर से दुखी फील कर रहे हो, आप थोड़ी देर स्माइल करना शुरू कर दो, आप हंसना शुरू कर दो, आपका जो माइंड है, आपका जो ब्रेन है, एक्चुअली आपका वो हैप्पी केमिकल्स रिलीज करना शुरू कर देगा और ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी बॉडी भी हैप्पी हो जाएगी. सो हाउ वी डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन हैप्पीनेस एंड स्ट्रेस और सैडनेस? There are two kind of emotions which we feel on the on the initial level. What that word is, on main level, actually on foundation level, or we can say, I mean, on foundation level we only feel two emotion, pain and pleasure, only two. Means pain ho gaya, which is draining your energy, and pleasure is something which is recharging you. Okay, so only two kind of emotions you feel on that what to say
Foundation
on the
level.
foundation level. On the foundation level, you as a human being feel those two emotions, pain and pleasure. That's it. So one is energy drainer and one is recharge, one that recharge you. So you can feel anything you want to feel. Either sometime what happens, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि आप शायद कुछ चीज ऐसी होती है जो आपको दर्द दे रही होती है, लेकिन आपको फिर भी उसमें प्लेजर फील होता है. हैव यू एवर एक्सपीरियंस दैट थिंग? और मे बी कोई चीज ऐसी होगी जो आपको प्लेजर देने वाली है, लेकिन वो फिर भी आपको पेन दे रही है, राइट? सो पेन और प्लेजर का कोई डेफिनेशन ही नहीं है. जैसे इट्स योर परसेप्शन दैट मेक्स एनीथिंग पेनफुल और प्लेजरेबल. मे बी जो चीज मुझे प्लेजर देती है वो आपको प्लेजर नहीं देती होगी, मे बी जो आपको पेन देती है वो मुझे पेन नहीं देती होगी. सो पेन एंड प्लेजर बोथ आर डिपेंड ऑन द perception level, works on perception level. तो आपका परसेप्शन उसको किस तरीके से ले रहा है, वो आपके लिए हैप्पीनेस बन जाता है, वो आपके लिए प्लेजरेबल बन जाता है। तो व्हाट इज प्लेजरेबल, मतलब आप रिचार्ज हो रहे हैं, राइट? हैप्पीनेस आपको रिचार्ज करती है, आप रिचार्ज होते हैं, आप खुश होते हैं, उस टाइम पे आपकी बॉडी एंजॉय कर रही है, एवरी सेल इन योर बॉडी इज डांसिंग एक्चुअली, यू नो, एंड यू आर लाइक ये हु हु। और लेकिन जहाँ आप सैड होते, इट्स मीन यू आर रिचार्जिंग, राइट? आप रिचार्ज हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारी एनर्जी है। लेकिन जहाँ आप सैड होते हैं वहां क्या होता है, लटक जाती है ऐसी बॉडी, मुंह भी लटक जाता है, राइट? कंधे भी झुक जाते हैं, मुंह भी लटक जाता है। बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस इसीलिए आई है क्योंकि हम माइंड को, बॉडी पढ़ ली तो समझ लो किसी का माइंड पढ़ लिया। दैट्स वाई अगर आप बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, यू विल एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ, यू बिहेव डिफरेंट। जो भी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा होता है वो आपके बॉडी में नजर आता है एक्चुअली में। आप सैड होंगे, आपका चेहरा बता देगा आप सैड है, आपकी बॉडी बता देगी आप सैड है। लेकिन आप हैप्पी होंगे, आपकी बॉडी बता देगी आप हैप्पी होंगे। और ये हैप्पीनेस एंड सैडनेस कहीं और से नहीं आती है। यू मेक दीज इमोशन इनसाइड ऑफ यू डिसाइड हाउ यू वांट टू फील। लेकिन क्योंकि अगेन नोबडी हैव टॉट अस दिस, दैट हाउ टू थिंक, और क्योंकि किसी ने आज तक ये नहीं सिखाया कि कैसे सोचना है, तो हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि हमारे इमोशंस पे भी हम किस तरीके से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। बट आवर इमोशंस आर completely in our hand. We can feel happy, we can feel sad, we can feel stress, we can feel joyful, we can feel peaceful. Whatever you want to feel, you can feel that. All you have to know that you have the power. तुम जैसे भी सोचोगे उसी तरीके के केमिकल्स रिलीज होना बॉडी में शुरू हो जाएगी। आपने सोचा कि मैं आज नहीं, सपोज मैं सिर्फ ये सोचूं कि मुझे अपने हाथ को ऐसे मुट्ठी बनानी है, तो मेरे सिर्फ सोचने से मेरे मसल्स टाइटन अप हो जाती है, मेरी वेन्स टाइटन अप हो जाती है। जहाँ हाथ रिलैक्स था वहां इस हाथ में ब्लड का पंप होना भी शुरू हो जाता है, सिर्फ मेरे सोचने से। इसी तरीके से सिर्फ मेरे सोचने से कि मुझे हंसना है या स्माइल करना है या मुझे इस मोमेंट में एंजॉय करना है, योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट रिलीजिंग दोज केमिकल्स इनटू योर बॉडी एंड यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग हैप्पी। अगर आपने स्ट्रेस लेना शुरू किया, वो स्ट्रेस में ही बॉडी आ जाएगी, मसल पुल अप हो जाएंगे, या फिर क्योंकि पेन और प्लेजर, पेन का मतलब है योर ब्रेन वांट्स टू सेव योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम एनी डेंजर। प्लेजर मतलब कि आप उस मोमेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। आपके ब्रेन के लिए दो, मतलब इनिशियल लेवल पे सिर्फ दो ही इमोशन फील करता है, पेन एंड प्लेजर। पेन मतलब वो आपको बचाना चाहता है, सेव करना चाहता है उस चीज से, इसलिए नहीं कि आपको वो दुखी कर रहा है। पेन भी एक आपका सर्वाइवल मोड है। मतलब आप सर्वाइवल मोड में है। सर्वाइवल मोड क्या हो गया, आपको उस टाइम पे सर्वाइव करना है, मरने से बचना है। मतलब मर नहीं रहे होते, क्योंकि दो तरीके के पेन फील करता है। एक तो साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल का, एक सचमुच का पेन हो गया, अच्छा रियल है ना। एक हो गया सपोज शेर आ गया हमारे सामने ना, शेर आ गया, ये रियल पेन है। ओके, आई हैव टू फाइट, आई हैव टू रन फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन। तो बॉडी में क्या होगा, ब्रेन वांट्स टू सेव यू, तो ब्रेन बॉडी में मसल को पुल अप करने लगेगा, वेन्स पुल अप करने लगेगा, और ताकि आपको वो तैयार कर सके कि भाई इस सिचुएशन से बचना है। और प्लेजर में क्या होता है, प्लेजर इज समथिंग ओके, ठीक है, हम रिलैक्स है इस मोमेंट में, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज as it is, that as I want it to be. So only two emotion. तो आपको डिसाइड करना होता है, आप हमेशा वो सर्वाइविंग मोड में रहना चाहते हैं या फिर आप इस एक रिलैक्स मोड में, हैप्पी मोड में रहना चाहते हैं। क्योंकि सर्वाइविंग मोड में आप सिर्फ सर्वाइवल ही करते हैं, क्योंकि ठीक है रोटी पानी खाना यही सभी होता है, कितना ही हो जाए लाइफ में वो ही अच्छा है। लेकिन जहाँ आप हैप्पी मूड में होते हैं तो वहाँ आपके डिसीजंस भी अच्छे आते हैं, आप एक्चुअली में ज्यादा रिस्क भी लेते हैं। लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट टेकिंग रिस्क, लाइक राइट। जब तक आप रिस्क नहीं लेंगे आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे। इट्स ओके आज मैं अगर यहाँ इस लेवल पे काम कर रही हूँ, सपोज मैं काम कर रही हूँ एक टेलीकॉलर के लेवल पे, तो टेलीकॉलर सीईओ भी बन सकती है कभी एक दिन कंपनी की। बट व्हाट शी हैव टू डू, शी हैव टू टेक द रिस्क, she have to take the risk to giving interviews. It's okay, I'm working as a telecaller right now, so what, I want to become CEO and I'll give this exam or whatever is that position is demanding from me. So you always have to take risk in your life, and happiness is something that gives you power to take risk. But when you are in sadness or stress or in any negative emotion, you are only on the surviving mode. Your brain is trying to save you from that situation. That's why you always stay in that position, surviving mode, जहाँ पे आपकी मसल पुल रहती है, नेक वेक में पेन रहता है, बैक में पेन रहता है, तो लोगों की बॉडी में भी पेन आने लगता है, सिर्फ माइंड लेवल पे डिस्टर्बेंस होती है, लेकिन वो बॉडी में नजर आती है, राइट? तो कभी भी हैप्पी लोग को नहीं देखा होगा ये बोलते हुए यार मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है, या मेरी कमर में दर्द हो रहा है, या मेरी नेक में दर्द हो रहा है, या फिर आज मैं बीमार फील कर रहा हूँ, राइट? कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा होगा। तो लेकिन जितने भी सैड लोग या नेगेटिव लोग अक्सर देखो जो स्ट्रेस रहते हैं, एंजाइटी में रहते हैं हमेशा, वो लोग बोलेंगे यार आज मेरे सर में दर्द है, प्लीज मेरे से बात मत करो, आज मेरा मूड खराब है, बात मत करो, राइट? तो क्योंकि वो बॉडी भी उस तरीके से फील करना शुरू कर देती है, तो आपको डिसाइड करना है दैट हाउ यू वांट टू फील. Fake it until you make it, my friend. Your brain doesn't understand the differentiation between reality and imagination. For your brain, everything is real. जो भी आप सोच रहे हैं ना, वो आपका ब्रेन उसे रियलिटी ही लेकर के चलता है. उसे नहीं पता कि भाई मेरे सामने कोई शेर खड़ा है, उसकी वजह से मैं सर्वाइविंग मोड में आ रही हूँ, या फिर कोई मेरा बॉस चिल्ला रहा है. बॉस का चिल्लाना इट्स ओके, वो आपके लिए जान का खतरा नहीं. आपको क्यों उसमें सर्वाइविंग मोड में रहना है? रिलैक्स भी रह सकते हैं. यू कैन एंजॉय द प्रोसेस, राइट? हम हमेशा सब चीजें हमारे मन मुताबिक नहीं होती हैं, लेकिन वी हैव टू एंजॉय द जर्नी. और जब आप वो जर्नी एंजॉय करते हैं तो एक्चुअली आप उस जर्नी के दौरान उस मोमेंट का ज्यादा से ज्यादा फायदा उठाते हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा फायदा. लेकिन जहां आप सर्वाइविंग मोड में होते हैं तो आप हमेशा अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ओके, बॉस मुझसे प्यार से क्यों बात कर रहा है आज, शायद कुछ मतलब होगा इसका. आज ये मेरी फ्रेंड इतने प्यार से क्यों बात कर रही है, शायद कुछ मतलब है इसका मुझसे, है ना? आज ये बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड इतना मुझे चापलूस से क्यों कर रहा है, शायद कुछ मतलब है इसका. तो हम उस मोमेंट्स को एंजॉय भी नहीं करते जब भी हम नेगेटिव इमोशंस में हमेशा बने रहते हैं. सो यू हैव द पावर एक्चुअली. You can decide what you want to feel.
Most of the time हम लोग अपने survival, it's like most of the time हम अपने survival mode पर ही रहते हैं, rather हम अपने pleasure, we should be happy, even if some happy moments are there, we still on survival mode only. कि ऐसा अच्छा क्यों हो गया, ऐसे कैसे हो गया, कुछ गंदा होगा इसके बाद most probably.
Exactly.
Actually, we are faking something negative rather than positive.
Yes. Even you are faking your negative emotions also. You are faking it. You don't want to become sad, लेकिन आप जबरदस्ती sad होते हो, sad गाने सुनते हो क्योंकि आपको और ज्यादा sad होना होता है. मैंने starting में बताया था, right? I used to watch lots of sad movies and sad songs. So it happens with every one of us. It's nothing has to do with you or me.
And then we keep asking that why we are sad, why I'm so sad, मुझे नहीं होना sad, and then we keep
मुझे नहीं होना sad. Exactly. मुझे नहीं होना sad, लेकिन मैं फिर भी sad हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे मजा आ रहा है sad रहने में, right? Because your brain get addicted. You always comes in that comfortable zone. और comfortable zone जो है, it's like killing zone. You always have to come out of that comfortable zone to do something changeable. क्योंकि आप लाइफ में अगर वही चीजें रिपीट करते रहेंगे तो रिजल्ट भी वही आते रहेंगे, वही रिजल्ट्स आते रहेंगे. लेकिन अगर रिजल्ट्स चेंज करने हैं लाइफ में, अगर लाइफ को पूरा का पूरा चेंज करना है, then you have to start to doing things differently. You have to start doing thing in a quite a different way. You have to come out of your comfortable zone.
So you started with your book, तो book लिखने से पहले मतलब लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि मुझे book लिखनी है, they have idea, they have everything there in their hand, but उनको फिर self doubt होता है, they feel कि we will be judged. Even writing a post on LinkedIn also makes them feel that they will be judged by the people.
Exactly.
So how a person can deal with these kind of feelings कि you will not be judged, keep writing, do what you want to do. So वो feeling कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं?
Okay, see, you have to control your mind first, because if your mind is stable, you take stable decisions. And still, and this, no decision is good or bad, my friend. No decision is, who will decide that this decision is good and this decision is bad? Nothing is good and bad. Maybe something that is good for you, maybe for me it is bad. So good and bad, again, it's perception thing. People take everything, they can take anything as a good and they can take anything as a bad. So you have to control on yourself. You have to control your mind first, and you have to believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, then nothing disturbs you. It's okay if people are going to judge you. Take it as a compliment, take it as an opportunity, that it's okay. If somebody said this negative to me, it means there are some hidden opportunity for me. If they said my writing has some problem, maybe what I can do to make it better. Because perfectionism, you can never become perfect. Okay, if you are on some level, you do things differently. If I am on some level and I do things differently, so people do things differently because they are unlimited. You can do anything. You as a human being are unlimited, so you always can become perfect. मतलब कोई आपकी बाउंड्री नहीं है, परफेक्शनिज्म की कोई बाउंड्री ही नहीं है. जो भी चीज आज आपको परफेक्ट लग रही है वो एक्चुअली आपको कल जाके इम्परफेक्ट लगने लगेगी, क्योंकि आपको पता होगा कि ओके मैं इससे भी ज्यादा कर सकती हूँ अब. राइट? तो अपने आप को सेल्फ डाउट नहीं करना. यू ऑलवेज कैन ग्रो, यू ऑलवेज कैन ग्रो. ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल्स आर अनलिमिटेड. सो बस करते रहना है. Just keep doing and have this thing in your mind that you are unlimited and there are always space to grow. You always can grow. Whatever you are doing right now, it's okay. It's okay wherever you are. Because if Ambani is in that top 10 list in the richest people around the world, but still he also have some space to grow, right? He still can grow. He still can bring that potentials out. So you as a human being are unlimited and you can do anything you want. All you have to believe in yourself. Then once you start believing in yourself, then nothing will disturb you. Because maybe people are not saying that okay you are doing good. You yourself is saying that I am doing good, I am doing bad. Maybe people don't say this, that you are doing bad. You yourself say this, right? So you have to stop saying that, and you have to keep that thing in your mind that you are unlimited and you always can grow. So there is no limit to yourself. That's how you can keep going. You can keep doing. I mean, still I don't know, I think I am nowhere. I am very on that stages, on that initial stages where I want to go more ahead. I want to do more things.
Yeah, there's always a possibility to grow. Or मतलब after this perfectionism, I realized that whenever I do कुछ भी अपने life में कुछ ऐसे बिल्कुल perfectly plan करके, it always messed up. The next day I checked, मतलब वो लगता है कि वो messed up है.
Making planning is very good.
No, मतलब it's like I feel कि बिल्कुल perfectly, like for example, if I want to write something and I perfectly make it and I feel okay, the book will be perfect and tomorrow I'll post it or write it on a blog. And whenever I will just wake up and read it again, I feel okay, it's still not perfect, and then it keeps delaying it.
Exactly, this is what happens. Even before giving my book to publisher, I actually rewrite my books 10-20 times. You won't believe it. So there is no perfection. I mean, you always read your own stuff. You always can make it, try to make it perfect. You always can make some changes. So everything is connected to everything. Okay, and when everything is connected to everything, that means knowledge is vast. You cannot explain everything in all the things in one paragraph or in one video or in one book. We never ever can gain the knowledge from just one paragraph or one book or one video or even one course. there are always possibilities to learn more, to grow more. So never think it's okay whatever you are doing right now, it's okay, keep doing. Consistency is something that that takes you further, that takes you ahead towards that perfectionism wherever you want to go, because we all have that, ideal self for ourselves. We
Yeah.
always wanted to reach on that top level, that okay, I want to become this. So we always have that ideal self in our head for
Even reaching
ourselves.
that ideal self, we have another ideal self. Okay, now I have to go there.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Because आज से 5 साल पहले जो भी आप चाहते थे, आप नहीं चाहते होगे, है ना?
Yeah.
और जो भी आज से 5 साल पहले बनना चाहते थे, वो आप ऑलरेडी बन भी चुके हैं, राइट? तो कितना कुछ है ना, चेंजेस इन 5 सालों में आए, तो आगे आने वाले 5 सालों में भी चेंजेस आएंगे. So always adapt yourself.
Okay, so for wrapping up, because it's just exceeding the time now, I have one
Okay.
last question. That is like,
Mm-hmm.
what advice will you give to your younger self? ऐसे 5 साल पहले अपने आप को क्या advice दोगे कि क्या करना चाहिए था अगर advice देने का मौका मिलता है तो?
I'll just go back, and say it's okay, Monica. Everything is going good, and you are doing absolutely fine. Keep keep faith on yourself. Keep believing. You are doing perfect. That's it. I just go to her and give her a quite cute hug.
That is
A
a
hug
very
of
cute
a
answer.
supportive hug. I just want to go and give her a supportive hug, that it's okay, you are not alone, I'm here.
The future Monica is here.
Yeah, future Monica is here, so don't worry, it's okay, you are doing good and I'm here to support you. I'm giving you good energies.
That is amazing. I had a very insightful conversation with you, and it was a very nice.
Same here, same here.
I really learned so much with the conversation we had. Although we
Thank
had such
you.
a short time, I wish ज़्यादा extend कर पाते.
So yeah, no problem. Maybe sometime in future we'll come again. As I said, nobody can gain everything in
Yeah,
just one video. So there is always space to learn more. So it's okay. So I'm giving one free ebook also to to all the people, whoever is watching this. So there is a link where they can get this link from.
we'll add the link so you can share with
Okay.
me.
Okay, I'll share a link with you, and so that people can go to that link, they have to give their email ID and then they'll get the book on their email ID. Okay, so
Sure.
it's free ebook, Formula of Happiness, The Secret Within You. I'm sure they'll learn more about themselves.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.